This video will go over one installation method for your X7900 Dodge Ram North Hitch. Depending on if your 2500 or 3500 has factory tow hooks, bolt and nut locations, and whether or not you have a lower grille, will all change how you install your North Hitch. To start, locate the passenger and driver tow hooks being held in by 4 bolts and remove them from the truck. For this install, we were able to reach the front of the bolt and the nut holding it on the inside of the frame at the same time to get them removed. Then, secure your hitch to the frame using the provided hardware. During the install, we found it easier to insert the bolts from the inside of the frame, protruding toward the front of the truck. Thread the bolts through the frame and secure it with the appropriate hardware. Finally, torque your bolts to the proper specifications laid out in the instructions. When that's done, your North Hitch install is finished.
This video is a guide for visual reference. Please always refer to our instructions when installing Torklift products, for they are updated regularly. For any questions, visit our website or give us a call at 800-246-8132.